Hello students, welcome to your maths class. Previous class I thought divisibility rules of 2, 5, 10. These are one model and 3, 9. These are another model. Once I will recall those divisibilities. In any number, ones plus digit is 0 or an even number, means either 2 or 4 or 6 or 8 is there in ones plus those are all numbers are divisible by 2. For 5 ones plus digit in the number must be 0 or 5, then the number is divisible by 5. Divisible by 10. Ones plus digit in the number is 0, then the number is divisible by 10. Is it clear, children? Now, divisible by 3 and 9. Sum of the digits in the number is divisible by 3, then the number is divisible by 3. The same way, sum of the digits in the number is divisible by 9, then the number is divisible by 9. Example, see here. $144. Sum of the digits in the number. Sum means have to do addition. Sum of the digits, each one we will call as digit. Add it. 1 plus 4 plus 4. 1 plus 4, 5. 5 plus 4, 9. Is 9 divisible by 3? Yes. 9 is divisible by 3. Same way 9 is divisible by 9? Yes. So 144 is divisible by both 3 and 9. This already I taught in the previous class. Now I am going to explain divisibility rule of 4, 6, 11, 12 and 15. Okay children? Divisible by 4. See Nana? If the number formed by the tens and ones digits is divisible by 4, then the number is divisible by 4. What is the meaning of that? Tens plus digit and ones plus digit. Formed by tens plus digit and ones plus digit. That means, for example, any big number you can take. Here, what are the digits in the tens plus and ones plus? See, tens plus digit is 1 and ones plus digit is 2. That means the number is 12. If this 12 is divisible by 4, then the number is divisible by 4. Is 12 divisible by 4? See? 4 3s are 12. So it is divisible by 4. Just to check the last two digits. That is enough. That means tens plus digit and ones plus digit. Okay children? Is divisible by 4. Then the number is divisible by 4. See. No need to check it actual division. Okay. Is it clear? If suppose, see here, I will check it by doing actual division. Without doing actual division, you have to check it that number is divisible by 4 or not. What last two digits you have to divide by 4. If it is divisible, then the number is divisible by 4. Otherwise, it will not divisible by 4. See, 4 3s are 12. Now you do subtraction, both are same, remainder is 0. Now you bring this 4, 4 1s are 4, now 0. Now you bring this 1, 0 times 4 zeros are 0, remainder 1. Now you bring this 2, 4 threes are 12, remainder is 0. Anything is there to bring down? No. So remainder is 0. Is it clear, children? Now suppose another number I am taking, second one, 142. Last two digits, see what are the last two digits? That means in tens place digit and ones place digit is 42. Is 42 is divisible by 4? 4 tens are 40, 4 elevens are 44. So it is not divisible. So the number is not divisible by 4. Is it clear, children? Now divisible by 6. If the number is divisible by both 2 and 3, then the number is divisible by 6. That means any number you can take. 2 and 3 are the factors of that number, then only 2 and 3 are divisible by that number, then only it is divisible by 6. For example, you check the divisibility rules of 2 and 3. Both are satisfied, then only the number is divisible by 6. Suppose 1230. First you check the divisibility of 2. What you have to check it? Last number must be 0 or any even number. Here last digit, that is 1's plus digit is 0. So this number is divisible by 2. See, 1230 is divisible by 2. Because 1's place digit is 1's place digit is 0. Okay, Nana? And is it divisible by 3? What you have to do? Sum of the digits in the number you have to check. So 1 plus 2, 3. 3 plus 3, 6. 6 plus 0, 6. Is 6 divisible by 3? Yes. 6 twos are, 3 twos are 6. So it is divisible by 3. So 1230 is divisible by 3. Since sum of the digit is 6, sum of the digits in the number is 6. 6 is divisible by 3. So the number is divisible by 3. It is divisible by both 2 and 3. So the number is divisible by 6. Okay, children? So if it is divisible by 6 means both you check it. That number should be divisible by 2 and 3. Suppose just a small chain. See 0, 3. Clear? What is the ones plus digit here? 3. So is it divisible by 2? No. 1203 is not divisible by 1203 is not divisible by 2 because 1's place digit is 3. Clear? but 1203 is divisible by 3. Sum of the digits in the number is 6. See, 1 plus 2, 3. 3 plus 0, 3. 3 plus 3, 6. 6 is divisible by 3. But it is not divisible by 2. It is divisible by 3. So the number is not divisible by 6. The number, so 1203 is not divisible by Is it clear, children? This is very important. If the number is any number you can take. If it is divisible by both 2 and 3, then only it is divisible by 6. If any one is not divisible by that number, then the number is not divisible by 6. Is it clear, children? See by actual division, see here. First number what I took? 1230 divisible by 6. 6 2s are 12. Then do subtraction, remainder is 0. Now you bring this 3. 6 does not goes from 3. So it will go 0 time. 6 zeros are 0, remaining 3. Now you bring this 0. 6 5s are 30, remainder is 0. No number to bring down. So it is exactly divisible. When 1230 is divisible by both 2 and 3. And another number what I take? 12,003. Again I am going to divide by 6. 6 2s are 12. Remainder is 0. Now you bring this 0. 6 zeros are 0. Now you bring this 3. Remainder is 0. 6 zeros are 0. Remainder is 3. Anything is there to bring down? No. So what is the remainder? 3. So 1203 is not divisible by 3. Do you understand? See, now divisible by 12. If the number is divisible by both 3 and 4, same like as 6. In 6, both 2 and 3. Here 3 and 4 for 12. Okay, divisible by 12. If a number is divisible by both 3 and 4, then the number is divisible by 12. For example, now check it, is it divisible by 3? What is the condition for divisible by 3? Sum of the digits in the number is divisible by 3, then the number is divisible by 3. See, 2 plus 2, 4, 4 plus 4, 8, 8 plus 4, 12. Is 12 divisible by 3? Yes, 3 4s are 12. So the number is divisible by 12. See, 2244 is divisible by 3, because sum of the digits in the number is divisible by 3. Sum of the digits in the number is 12. 12 is divisible by 3. Now, what is the divisibility of 4? Check the tens place and ones place digit. That is, what are the tens place and ones place digits are? 44. Is 44 is divisible by 4? Yes, because 4 11s are 44. So it is divisible by 2244 is divisible by divisible by 4. It is divisible by both 3 and 4. So the number is divisible by 12. 2244 is divisible by 12. Is it clear, children? Suppose, see, just a small change, 2442. If you are adding 12 will come, 12 is divisible by 3. Okay. 42 is divisible by 4. I explained when I thought divisibility of 4. 42 is not divisible by 4. So the number is not divisible by 4. So it is not divisible by 12. Okay, children? See, divisible by 15. If the number is divisible by both 3 and 5, then the number is divisible by 15. 3 5 are 15. Okay. Same like as 6 and 12. Any number you can take. That must be divisible by 3 and 5. Then only it is divisible by 15. Okay, children? For example, see, 1000. Example 21,315. See here. First you check the divisibility rule of 3. Yes? See, what is the divisibility rule of 3? You have to add sum of the digits in the number. See, 2 plus 1, 3. 3 plus 3, 6. 6 plus 1, 7. 7 plus 5, 12. Is 12 is divisible by 3? Yes. So, 21,315 is divisible by 3. And what is the rule of 5? Last digit, that is ones plus digit, must be 0 or 5. Then the number is divisible by 5. What is the ones plus digit here? 5. So the number is divisible by 5. 21,315 is divisible by 5. It is divisible by both. This number is divisible by both 3 and 5. So the number is divisible by 15. So 21,315 is divisible by 15. Okay, children. For another example, same number, just I am changing these two. 5, 1 I will write. Now if you are adding 2 plus 1, 3 plus 3, 6 plus 5, 11 plus 1, 12. So is 12 divisible by 3? Yes. So 21,351 is divisible by 3. What is the rule for divisibility of 5? Last ones plus digit must be 0 or 5. Here, what is the ones plus digit? 1. Is it divisible by 5? No. So, 21,351 is not divisible by 5. So, 21,351 is not divisible by 15. Is it clear, children? Now see, this is divisible by 11. This is very, very, very important, and 3 steps are there to find out the divisibility rule by 11. What are those? Once you see, start from the left, find the sum of the all odd number digits. first step. And what is the second step? Find the sum of all even number digits. Okay, children? All even number digits in the number. Okay, that is the second step. First you find out the sum of the odd number digits, and second find the sum of all even number digits. And third step is, if the difference between these sum is 0 or divisible by 11, then the number is divisible by 11. I will explain with example. See, this is very important, Nana. See, I am taking the number 48642. That means 48,642. Where you should start? Start from the left. That means this side. Find the sum of the odd number digits. Here I am writing sum of the odd number digits. Means here no odd number, no. What is that we are thinking like it? See, stop. Where you should start? Left. This is the first place. First, third, second one is not an odd number, right? 1, 3, 5. Is it clear? Sum of the odd number digits. That is the meaning of this. See, sum means you have to do addition. 4 plus 6, 10. 10 plus 2, 12. Right there. Is it clear, children? Now, sum of the even number digits. Even numbered digits. That is, start from left now. So this is second place. Second and fourth. The sixth one not there now. So these two. 8 plus 4. 12. This is the second step. The difference. Difference means what we have to do? You should do subtraction. Difference is equal to 12 minus 12. How much? 0. Either 0 or it is divisible by 11. Then the number is divisible by 11. That means here difference is 0. So 48,642 is divisible by 11. Is it clear, children? This is very important. Learn the divisibility rules. I completed the divisibility rules. What are the divisibility rules of what I explained? 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 9, 10, 11, 12, 15. These 10 divisibility rules, you should learn it. I will meet you in the next class. Have a nice day.